Hi, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tony Holowitz, and I had a client reach out to me and ask me if you could make the scheduling area bigger with the font size bigger. And I want to show you what that is referring to. The question he asked was if you go to schedule, for example, a meeting, down below where it says regarding, he wanted to know if he could make the font size bigger or this area bigger. And unfortunately, you cannot do that. You can't make this area bigger. So one of the things that you can do is when you come into this area, although this is fairly small, you can go up and click on details. And as you type things in here, you can change the font size after the fact, sort of. What I mean by that is you can come in and modify this. So if I want to select my name and I want to make the font size much bigger, let's say 36, if I want to make it red, I could do that. But the dilemma here is that when I do it this way, I have to come in each and every time and change it to a specific color, font size, and style. But there is a way to do this so that it's a default setting. So again, I'm in the schedule activity. The question was about the regarding area, and I referred him to the details area where he could type things very big and change them to a bigger size. But that's not the solution. I'm going to click cancel. The real solution is this. If you go up to tools and you go down to preferences, when you come into this area, there's a colors and fonts area. Now, we have all kinds of options over here, and we can change the options and make them all different for each one of these items if we so desire. So when we come in and look at this and we want to schedule something, we can schedule something down below. So what I'm going to do is come down here and I'm going to click on activity because that's what it is. We're scheduling an activity. It's a meeting, detail composition. I'm going to come up here and click on font. I'm going to choose something that really stands out right there, and I'm going to make it pretty big. I'm going to make it size 24. Actually, let's see, can we make that bigger? I think this one, that's about as big as we can make. So now I'm going to click OK. Next thing I'm going to do is what text color do we want? And again, to make this stand out, I'm going to make it something that will really stand out. Let's go with like a pink color. And do we want a background color there? Nah, we don't really want that. So I'm going to click apply. So now what I'm expecting will happen is the next time we go to schedule something, like a meeting, this again is going to be small. And the name of the person that asked this question is Nick. And that is still small. But if I come up to details and start typing in my name, you'll notice it retains the colors and style of what I had just changed it to behind the scenes. So although we can't make one area bigger, we can make this area bigger. Now, if I schedule this right now, how am I going to know that there's even information on this details tab? So I'm going to click OK. I'm going to come to the activities area in Act for my contact and see this little I here? That means there's more information there to be seen. I'm going to double click on this little I regarding this thing that I just scheduled, this meeting. I'm going to double click on the eye. It's going to open up and take me right inside the details view. So this little eye is a sign that I have more information on the details view. So when I go to look at this appointment, I'll know to go in and look at the details. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you modify that area. Go in and look at different areas within the preferences for the colors and fonts. You can do all kinds of color things and size things to make Act easier on your eyes. Thank you very much. Have a great day.